caso a lo que le digan. Nos vivimos enamorando día a día. Dile que yo soy el que te quiere. Explícale lo que sucedió. Entre tú y yo la llama se encendió. No sé cómo pasó.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxley and I'm back with another wig review. If you are a new viewer, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and also make sure you're hitting that bell button so that you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So you guys, I'm going to be showing you a wig review on this hair that I got from DYHAIR777.com. Here's a cute little bag that it came in. I thought that was super cute, and I'm actually gonna keep this. I don't know. It comes with some hair care instructions, so you can go ahead and wash this and condition it. It should have no tangle, is what it says here. So too much heat may damage the hair, so if you use heat products on your extension, use a heat protectant to stop the damaging on the hair, obviously. So let me go ahead and open this up for you guys. I'm super excited about this. I saw this on a YouTuber and I thought it was really cute, and I just had to have it. So, oh, and it comes with baby hairs already. So this hair, you guys, it is 100% virgin hair, and it's Malaysian hair. All right. So here she is. Look at that. She is so cute. I can't wait. So this already comes with baby hairs, as you guys can see. So I don't have to apply any type of baby hairs. These are really cute. They're pretty long. The baby hairs on this are pretty long. So, and this is a softer lace. This is how much lace you get with the unit. It has 4 clips. It has 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and then 1 in the back with your adjustable straps. This does look big head friendly, so we'll just have to see when we try it on. But other than that, the curls are really cute, you guys. Check this out. I am going to be applying mousse and some water to make it all like wet and wavy, because I love that look. I know y'all probably think what's going on with my hair. I washed it, so I'm just gonna put my stocking cap over it, and then we can go ahead and get started with this review, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. pause mid-recording to show you guys the difference between versus when it's wet and you add mousse to it. Look how pretty that looks, y'all. This wig is lit. And this side is dry and all teased out. So I guess this is how it would look once it's all dry. It has no type of moisture to it. But yeah, I just wanted to stop and show you guys what this looks like. But I am loving it. I can't wait to show you guys the final look. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look right here. I'm gonna make this really quick. This wig is lit, y'all. It's lit. I mean, all of this 100% human hair for $85, and it's Malaysian curly, y'all. Like, it's so cute. I will be leaving the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, but I feel like it's definitely a must-have. Like, if you don't have this, I mean, you don't know what you're missing. Like, this is super cute. It looks so freaking natural, you guys. I am just in love with this. Just a couple of things. The only thing that I have to say about this unit that I did not like was that the baby hairs were just entirely too long for my liking. Like, I did struggle as far as trying to get them all gelled down to perfection and all of that. I did struggle. But you know, other than that, like, this, I mean, I have nothing else to say about this hair. I do think it is big head friendly simply because of the front. I had to cut the lace off by the ear. It was too big, you guys. Like, it was just hanging off. Like, I think my head, it's just too small up in the front for it. So I will say that this wig is definitely big head friendly. So I had to cut off the lace on this side, and I had to cut off the lace over on that side because it was just not working out. No matter how much got to be glue sprayed, I sprayed on there, you guys, it was not working. It just kept sticking out. Obviously, it was just too big, so I just cut it off along with some hair. But that's okay. But yeah, so that is all that I have for you guys. This is definitely some summer vibes. Okay, it's super cute. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely stay tuned because I'll be back with more videos pretty soon. Bye, guys.